When someone hurts you, the thing that keeps them up at night is not your anger, your revenge, or even blocking them. It's the 5 silent habits you practice without saying a word. These habits make them think about you constantly and slowly realize what they lost. And by the time that realization hits, you've already moved so far forward that you no longer need them back.
If you are new, then subscribe and like the video.
Habit 1. The stranger treatment. Move. Treat them like a stranger you pass on the street. If you see them, give a small nod or a simple hi. Then continue with your day. Impact. Most people expect tears, anger, or emotional reactions because those things prove they still matter. But when you treat them like a stranger, they begin to fear that you've completely removed them from your heart. Nothing is more unsettling than realizing you've become irrelevant to someone you once had access to. Habit 2. Build a better life. Move. Create new experiences. Meet better people who appreciate you. Visit new places, pursue new goals, and build a life that feels exciting and meaningful. Impact. Seeing you genuinely happy without them creates something powerful: regret. They begin to understand that they lost someone loyal, and your happiness becomes proof that you were never the problem. They were. Habit 3. Zero reaction. Move. Whether they post something to make you jealous, talk about you, or try to get your attention, give them absolutely no reaction. Impact. People believe they still have power over you when they can affect your emotions. But when you remain calm and unbothered, they start feeling powerless. Your silence sends one clear message: you no longer control me. Habit 4. Take the high road. Move. Never speak badly about them. If someone asks what happened, simply say, "Things didn't work out, and I'm focused on better things now." Then move on. Impact. Silence is more powerful than insults. When they realize that you never tried to destroy their reputation, even after they hurt you, they are forced to face their own actions. Sometimes, the loudest message is the one you never say. Habit 5. Private forgiveness. Move. Forgive them in your heart, but don't announce it. This forgiveness isn't for them. It's for your freedom. It's about releasing anger and refusing to carry bitterness any longer. Impact. Once you let go, your energy changes. You become lighter, calmer, and happier. That peace is what affects people the most because it tells them something they never expected. You've truly moved on, and they're no longer part of your future. Final message. Move on, because you deserve far better than someone who couldn't recognize your value when they had the chance. Remember, treat them like a stranger. Build a better life. Stop reacting. Take the high road. Forgive privately and free yourself. And here's the twist. By the time they realize what they lost, you won't be waiting anymore. You'll be too busy enjoying the life you built without them. Comment below. Which of these 5 silent habits are you going to practice first?